hopefully this video is not going to take forever. This being the 30 litre bag, there is a sleeping bag in there and the MH100 fresh and black and white tent. So it's half the weight of the other one. The other one has to go in the 50 litre. Obviously the blow up mattress is in the other one, but it's probably half a kilo extra, and I could probably fit it still in there, so it fits in the small bag, which is a bonus to use this one in the summer. So now I have not took it out. I'm going to try and pour it up, and now I've got a little bit of tent experience, as quick as I can, and then see if it goes back into its original package. As you know what they're like, once you take them out you can't get them back in. Well, here's the test. I don't know if I'm going to fast forward this video or not. I'm going to try just keep it raw as fast as I can, yeah? Sleeping bag, 12 quid. There's the tent, fits in there nicely. These bags, I'm just looking at them, I think they're amazing. They're not the cheapest. This is how this comes. Straight away I can tell you it's better than the outside. Feels really thick. outside is probably 3 times thicker. The outside is like coat hangers. How thick they are. Just 4, and the guide rope is in that little bag. Don't need to do that now. It's gone up so quick. The camera started rolling 14 minutes ago. So take my shoes off and try and not get this dirty. Disappointing already. It's a 2-man tent, which I understand is going to be big enough for 1 person. Oh my god, it's so small. But obviously it packs into a little small bag, so it's not the end of the world, is it? And I can't see through, that is. A vent there you can open when it's too bloody warm. I've got a feeling that I will be using this in extreme heat. Say no more. Obviously that can be carried out, I think. Yeah. God, it's about 7-8 degrees outside, but if you notice this time of year the sun's so warm. It's already so warm in here because the sun is so warm. So if I sit back something like that, keep it right here, arm length here, arm length there. This ground sheet's pretty okay. I think it's the same thickness as the outside, but the fly sheet is what's taking all the room up. The fly sheet is proper thick, so I think if it's really windy, that'd be a bonus. So I reckon that the block bed will come straight all the way front to the back. So it'll be a push to get the air mattress in here. I might get the air mattress in here just now for a reference. So I'm going to pause the video for now. As for headroom, that's pretty much it. I've squatted down and A lot smaller than I thought it would be. When you compare a 30 litre bag to a 50 litre bag, you've seen the size of the other tent on the other video, how big that is and how well it packs up. You know, if you compare it to 30 litre to 50 litre, but the tent is probably 3 times bigger, easily. But this one is pretty dark, isn't it? I like the darkness. So I won't say it's pitch black. It's definitely dark. You could potentially put that closer to the floor, block that light coming in there. But yeah, it is dark. This is what I mean about small tent, big tent. So I'm gonna get the air mattress out of there now. Very tight fit. 12-pound bag. Get these in. That's your space. There's enough space. Put in here. I'd put it there, farthest away from the door. See the pillow, you can see your head's going to be touching if you want to be on that. I've not come up with a solution to having a pillow yet. Well, actually I do. Got the blow ones that you can pay £1.50 from that Polish shop, I forgot what you call it, in Jisk or something. And they're really good, sell some really good cheap things in there. Oh. Let's see if that you can get me there. It's not really on that pillow. If it was, well, there's that to consider. There's a bit more room if you go diagonal, if it was a problem. This is the worst bit.
Strangers and the lovers in the highest heat of summer, talking mid-July. It was only for a weekend, it was hands we weren't keeping in sunset sky. No, moving on, moving in, no, picket fence, wouldn't rain. Stay together, know that it was for the better. We damn sure would've ruined it. Topless, yeah, you and I, we were priceless, like sugar sweet Russian. Could've never made it anything, 'cause we never could've ever been. Oh
even that's ended up being there somehow by mistake. Oh no, that's the positive. First time. Not very good. Unbelievable.